Hello everyone, I'm Chef Adjay Cooks and today I'm here for making chili paneer. So let's make. For making chili paneer, we require these all ingredients.
Now we will cut our paneer.
Now we will deep fry our paneer. Now we will remove our paneer. Then we will add onion noodles, onion. Now we will add garlic. Now we will add capsicum. Now I will add base sauce. Then I will add tomato puree. Now we will add white pepper, some salt, few vinegar and soya sauce, Ajinomoto. Now we will add our paneer. We will cook for 2 minutes only. Now we will turn off the gas. It's a time for plating. And now we will garnish it. Our chili paneer is ready for. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, subscribe and share my YouTube channel Desi Kitchen.